Good morning, students. Class 7. Today we will read our 11th chapter, The Legends of Blue Bonnet. First of all, we will see the character of a legend. What is the character of a hero which is depicted in a story? First of all, the hero must be realistic setting from the long ago. Means this story has been setting long ago in a Texas, in America. It's a Texas, and it was depicted by Tommy DePola. है ना? It was depicted by Tommy DePola. The city was Texas. Hero with positive characteristics. Problem that the hero has to solve in this story. These all characteristics come fulfilled by a girl. Truth about a real thing or a place, elements of cultured life, mythical elements and the hyperbole, solution character created by the hero, lessons that is learned by the characters. Means all these things you can see in this one chapter. Okay. What was the main character of this chapter and what she did? Okay, realistic setting, Texas long ago. Means in the first paragraph, in the introductory paragraph, you can find out the problem which was happened in the Texas. Hero. Who is hero in this chapter? The hero was she who is alone. And what was her characters? What was her qualifications? She was her specialties were selfless, generous, loving, wise. All these characteristics, all these qualities were present in that one character. And what was the problem in the Texas? Why they need a hero that time? Actually, drought across. What is the meaning of drought? Means on their land there were no crops at all, and they were dying with the thirst, and they thought might be spirits, the good spirits were angry for their deeds, and because of their deeds, and they have to sacrifice something uh, to make them happy, to make those spirit happy. Okay, turn about a real thing. The blue bonnet wildflower was created. Actually, that Texas land was popular because of their blue bonnet. It's kind of a flower, blue color flower. It was very famous in the Texas city, and because of the angry spirit, there was no water that time, and the full land was facing that drought, and that's why they want to make happy that good spirits. And what was happen, and why how that hero, that she who is alone is the hero in this chapter, and what she sacrificed to make them make that good spirits to make them happy. Okay, let us start. So many hard words are there, so just underline that hard words, and that is present in your pink box. Just learn these hard words, otherwise you will not able to understand this chapter. Okay, I told you earlier that it was depicted, it's a mythical story, and it was depicted by Tommy DePola. Okay, he wrote a novel on this, The Blue Knot. And let us start now. Great spirit, the land is dying, your people are dying too. The long line of dances sang. Means here you can see in the picture, this is the picture you can see, they are dancing in the group form, and they want to make happy that spirit, good spirit. By their singing, by their dancing, they wants to make happy the spirit, good spirits. And this drought, what is the meaning of drought? A long period of time when there is very little or less rain or no rainfall. Means the land is fully dried up, no crops were there actually. Save your people, tell us what we must to do, that you will send the rain that will bring back life. Means when there is no life from a long time, means that land will be we can say turned into the desert. Yes, of course. So they were praying to the great spirit, what we have to do, what we did, we are sorry for what we did, and now what we can do to make you happy. They are asking some question by their songs. Okay, for 3 days the dancer danced to the sound of the drums, and for 3 days means उन्होंने 3 दिन तक डांस किया to make the great spirit happy. The people called Comnek. What is the Comnek? Who is the Comnek? The Comnek were a group of a Native Americans called a tribe. It's a tribe of that in Texas land. It's a tribe known as Comnek who lived इन द साउथर्न प्लेन्स ऑफ अमेरिका। द टेक्सास कहाँ पड़ता है? साउथर्न प्लेन्स ऑफ अमेरिका में पड़ता है। और वहाँ की जो एक ट्राइब थी दैट नोन एज अ कॉमनेक वॉच्ड एंड वेटेड एंड इवन दो द हार्ड विंटर वॉज ओवर नो हीलिंग रेन कम। मीन्स उनको और ज़्यादा टेंशन हो गई थी कि अभी तक कोई भी रेन नहीं आई है एंड वी आर डाइंग विद द थ्रस्ट एंड विद नो फूड, है ना। ड्रॉट एंड फेमाइन आर हार्डेस्ट ऑन एवरी यंग एंड वेरी ओल्ड। मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि ड्रॉट और फेमाइन से ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ओनली इट इफेक्ट्स ओनली यंग पीपल, इट ऑल्सो इफेक्ट दैट ओल्ड दैट यंग, बोथ आर इफेक्ट सिमिलरली। ओके। Among the few children left was a small girl named She who is alone. She sat by herself watching the dancer. मतलब एक बच्चा था वहाँ पे, एक लड़की थी जो उसका नाम She who is alone. It's also a story why her name was so big that She who is alone, है ना। तो क्यों उसका नाम ऐसे पड़ा अभी पता पड़ेगा आपको। She sat by herself watching the dancers. In her lap was a doll made from the buskin. मतलब क्या था कि वो जो लड़की थी वो बैठी थी और उन डांसर्स को देख रही थी, why they are singing and what they needs from the good spirit, and she has a doll in her lap and it was made up of buckskin. What is the meaning? Soft strong leather made from the skin of a deer. It was the doll which was made by the deer's skin and a warrior doll. The gesture, the posture was like a warrior doll. It was the eyes, nose and mouth were painted on the juice of berries, means it were red. These were red because berries were red. And who wore the beaded leggings एंड अ बेल्ट ऑफ पॉलिश्ड बोन। मतलब ये पूरा उसका एक वो आपको बता दिया कि उसने वो डॉल दिखती कैसी थी, है ना। On its head were brilliant blue feathers from the bird who cries zay zay zay. मतलब here they do not give the name of any bird, only the sound of that word was zay zay zay, and it has a blue feather. You can see in this picture also. Here is in the picture the gesture of that doll. Blue feathers are here, and warrior doll, it has a that. Belt also which was made by the polished bones and all these things. Okay, so she loved her doll very much. Soon who is alone said to her doll, the shaman will go off alone to the top of the hill to listen for the words to the great spirit. shaman कौन होता है? shaman देखो ये भी एक mythical सब चीज़ें हैं जो वो लोग believe करते थे। shaman a person who is thought to be able to speak the good and evil spirit, means टाइप ऑफ पंडित या फिर कुछ बोल सकते हैं हम लोग कि जो गुड स्पिरिट से बातें कर सकते हैं। ओके, दे कैन हियर व्हाट दे वांट, द गुड स्पिरिट वांट्स। सो स्पेशली अमंग द पीपल ऑफ द नॉर्थन एशिया एंड द नॉर्थ अमेरिका अ शमन यूज दीज स्किल टू हेल्प द पीपल। तो कोई ना कोई तो चाहिए उन लोगों को कि भाई जो पता लगा सके भाई क्या हुआ है, व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग, बिकॉज साइंस वाज नॉट डेवलप्ड एट दैट टाइम, सो द पीपल बिलीव दैट इट इज हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ द गुड स्पिरिट एंड बैड स्पिरिट, दैट्स व्हाई दे क्रिएटेड दैट शमन एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स। सो क्या हुआ था कि उन्होंने बोला कि अभी शमन जाएंगे कहाँ पे, एक हिल पे जाएंगे और ही विल लिसन द वर्ड्स ऑफ द ग्रेट स्पिरिट कि भाई उनको क्या चाहिए, देन दे विल गेट द रेन, देन वी विल नो व्हाट टू डू, दैट वंस मोर द रेन विल कम एंड अर्थ विल बिगिन ग्रीन एंड अलाइव। क्या करें हम ऐसा कि जो ग्रेट स्पिरिट खुश हो जाएं और हमें वापस से रेन दे दें। द बफेलो विल बी प्लेंटीफुल एंड द पीपल विल बी रिच अगेन। मतलब ये एक लाइन है, इट्स अ फ्रेज, द बफेलो विल बी प्लेंटीफुल। जब ग्रीन होगा, जब सब जगह घास होगी तो क्या होगा, काउज एंड बफेलोज अच्छे से रेयर करेंगे, फिर उनका जो मटेरियल है मतलब दूध वगैरह वो लोग बेचेंगे एंड दे सोल्ड आउट दीज थिंग्स एंड दे बिकम रिच। मीन्स एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्रॉप्स। इवन नाउ इन दीज डेज अगर देखो बारिश कम हो जाती है तो एवरीथिंग इज एक्सपेंसिव बिकॉज वी आर डिपेंड ऑन दी rains. As she talked, she thought that the mother who made the doll of the father who bought the blue feathers, means जैसे वो बातें कर रही थी अपने डॉल से, वो बोल रही थी मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे लिए डॉल बनाई और पापा मेरी डॉल के लिए फीदर्स लेके आए थे। शी थॉट दैट ग्रैंडफादर एंड ग्रैंडमदर हैड नेवर नोन, दे वर ऑल लाइक शेडो। सब लोग मतलब अब उसके साथ में नहीं है। इट सीम्स सो लॉन्ग अगो दैट दे हैड डाइड फ्रॉम द फेमाइन। मतलब ड्रॉट ऑन फेमाइन से क्या हुआ था, उसके जो जितने भी रिलेटिव्स थे सब डेथ हो चुकी थी उनकी. द पीपल हैड नेम्ड हर एंड केयर्ड फॉर हर. जो वहाँ के ट्राइब के जो लोग थे, जो भी मैंने आपको बताया, कॉमनेक जो लोग थे वो इतने रिलेटेड थे एक दूसरे से, दे दैट cared that girl and they named also. The warrior doll was the only thing that she had left from that distant days when उस समय की only the one thing which is we can say the remember of her mother and father. The sun is setting and they gave the name the who is alone, means एक लड़की जो बिल्कुल अकेली है. The sun is setting, the runner called as he ran through the camp, the shaman is returning. फिर सन सेट हो गए थे, शमन चले गए थे, उन्होंने ग्रेट स्पिरिट से बात भी कर ली. फिर किसी ने आके बोला कि शमन आ रहे हैं. द पीपल गैदर्ड इन द सर्कल एंड द शमन स्पोक. शमन ने बोलना चालू किया. आई हैव हर्ड द वर्ड्स ऑफ द ग्रेट स्पिरिट. ही सेड द पीपल हैव बिकम सेल्फिश फॉर ईयर्स. They have taken from the earth without giving anything back. Means we are taking, even now we are taking so much from the land. Just imagine if earth is not there, if crops are not there, we can't grow the crops. If we are not able to grow crops, how we can assume that we can live a successful life, we can live a good life? It is not possible. Means if we want a good crops, we have to give some good manure, we have to give rain, water, and grow the trees, make the environment pollution free. So that time also the good spirit told same thing. It was saying that the people become selfish. They taken so many things from the earth, but they are not giving anything back. The great spirit says the people must sacrifice. Now the great spirit wants the sacrifice of people. We must make burn offering of the most valued पोजिशन. मीन्स हमको अपनी ही कोई चीज़ जो हमें सबसे प्यारी है उसको बर्न करना पड़ेगा, उसको धरती को देना पड़ेगा. देन द गुड स्पिरिट विल बिकम हैप्पी एंड दे विल गिव अस रेन. ठीक है. द एशेस ऑफ दीज ऑफरिंग शैल बी स्कैटर्ड टू द फ्लोर टू द 4 points ऑफ द अर्थ.